Trying not to crush the little microphone in my pocket. I got a lavalier mic on, but this guitar is a Southern Jumbo. This is an awesome guitar. This is a custom shop Gibson SJ-200, and it's massive sounding. Before we get into the specs of this guitar, take a listen to this thing. What an awesome instrument. This is a brand new Gibson SJ-200 Southern Jumbo. It's made its way here to Replay Guitar Exchange. And before we get into the specs on this guitar, if you're interested, give us a call at 813-254-8880 or check out our website at replayguitar.com where you can see all the detailed specs on this instrument, as well as all of our acoustics in there, all of our Gibson acoustics and all of our Gibson electrics and Fender and everything we have in the shop is at replayguitar.com. Don't hesitate to reach out and don't hesitate to go to our website. You absolutely will not regret it. The king of flat top guitars returns here to Replay Guitar Exchange, and I gotta say, it really is the king. Look how big this guitar is, and it has such a beefy sound to it. Thing sounds like a big steak dinner. It's really warm, it's really awesome, and it has such nice features. One of the biggest sounding guitars here at the shop right now. Let's go over the specs. So this guitar has a stunning Sitka spruce top and flamed maple back and sides. And the back and sides on this really are flamed. It's got a great 3D effect. Looks absolutely cool. No matter what angle you're kind of looking at the guitar, you can really see that flame really pop out. I hope that I'm able to capture it okay in this video for you, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And it's cool that it is a maple back and sides because that is kind of bright, which pairs really well with the warmth of how big the guitar is. Because it's bigger, it's more resonant, right? But the maple is a brighter sound. So it's a nice contrast, giving this guitar a really full frequency response that is really gonna sit well in any mix or live, or even if you're just sitting on the couch, this guitar is going to bloom absolutely beautifully. It's a really cool guitar. It's got a gloss lacquer finish, scalloped X bracing in the body, and a multi-ply top and back binding for great comfortability and playability. It's got a smooth rounded C profile and a two-piece maple neck. The fingerboard is a rosewood fingerboard with the crown inlays, and that really just kind of completes the guitar if we're talking about like classiness. This guitar is not only amazing sounding, but it is just classy looking. So if you're looking for a guitar of great elegance, I would look no farther. But you're probably wondering how much this guitar is going for. The answer to that is $5,300. It is brand new. We do take trades and we do offer financing. So if you have a guitar that's just sitting around your house that you're not playing very often, bring it on in. We'd be happy to take a look at it, make you an offer on it. Or if you would rather finance an instrument of this caliber, come on in. This guitar would qualify for a year with no interest on it. It's really cool that the shop is offering financing because that's how I get all my guitars here. This is such an awesome instrument. It's got the LR Bags pickup too. It's nice and warm. That pickup sounds great. We would love to make it yours. So if you have any questions, you can also reach out to me. My email is cliff@replayguitar.com. I would love to answer any questions that you might have or see what we can do to make this guitar yours. Again, I highly recommend checking out our website, replayguitar.com, to see a full list of all of our inventory, and the link for this guitar is in the description on our YouTube channel. So be sure and check that out, and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as you guys are buying the guitars as we put them up there. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Cliffhanger, and I'll see you guys the next time that I see you. Peace out.